Don't do that. Jackie, what does a cow say?
Moo.
And what does a sheep say?
Bah.
What does a sheep say?
Bah.
And what does a horse say?
Meh.
And what does a pig say?
Oink.
What does a pig say?
Oink.
Oink, that's right. And what does a bear say?
Bah.
What does a bear say?
Bah.
And what does a dinosaur say?
Bah.
And what does a lion say?
Bah.
And what does a turkey say? What was that again? What is it? That's the best turkey I've ever heard. And what does a chicken say? That's a good chicken. And what does a doggy say? And a kitty cat?
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah.
Thank you. And what does a monkey say? What does a monkey say? And what does a birdie say?
Chip.
That's right. And what does a mouse say? Squeak, squeak.
Squeak.
That's right. That's right. And what does a mama say? Mama doesn't say anything. What does the daddy say? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Thank you very much. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.